This video is specially made for Mali users. For years, Mali device users have had one big question. Why is every emulator always optimized for Snapdragon? Mali users, your wait is finally over. Winlator 10. Final, a powerful PC emulator for smartphones, is here, and yes, it finally runs on Mali GPUs. No more black screens, no more frustration. Whether you want to play classic PC games or run powerful Windows software on Android, this is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and unlock full Windows power on your Android Mali device. This video is designed to help beginners become pros at using Winlator, covering everything you need to know from start to finish. To begin, head to the Winlator GitHub repository. Scroll down until you find the latest version of Winlator, Winlator 10 Final. This update brings massive improvements and critical bug fixes. One of the key highlights is the newly improved Task Manager, offering better performance monitoring and control. They've also added configuration support for Vortec, and perhaps the most anticipated feature, Mali GPU support. That means non-Snapdragon users can now run Winlator. Vertex explosion issues on Mali devices have been fixed, making this one of the biggest and most important updates in Winlator's history. So it should take only 1 to 2 minutes to download. Once the download is complete, install or update the app. You might see a warning from Google Play Protect about the app being built with an older Android version, but rest assured, it's safe to install. After installation, you'll first need to grant the app permission to access your phone storage, OBB file. Winlator 10 now automatically downloads it. This file contains all the necessary components to run the app. Now, go to Settings, set the cursor speed up to 200, but I like to use 150. Also, adjust your cursor size and color. Set the preferred input API to both for better compatibility. Choose the latest Box 64 version, or whichever suits your needs. You can also install components for other Box 64 versions. Set the Box 64 version to performance to maximize efficiency. Now create a custom performance preset. Set the Dyno Safe Flags value to 0 for improved stability and smoother performance. Use Wine 9.2 as it is currently the best stable version available. Next, you'll be prompted to create a container. Click the plus icon at the top right corner to begin configuration. Start by giving your container a name and selecting the screen size. I'm choosing 854 by 480, but you can go up to 1080p. For the best performance, I recommend using your device's native screen resolution. If you notice any lag or trouble booting, you can lower the resolution in the settings. Moving on to the graphics driver, there are 3 options available: Turnip, Virtual GL, and Vortec, which is newly added and is experimental. If you're using a Snapdragon chipset, choose Turnip for better performance. I am using a Mali device, so I will select Vortec. Let's configure the driver. Leave the Vulkan version at 1.3, and if you think your device has low RAM, then set low device memory. For the DX wrapper, you can select DXVK or your preferred version. Make sure the DXVK version is 1.103 because it's stable. Additionally, you can enable the FPS counter if you want to track your performance during gameplay. In advanced settings, keep Box 64 on performance always and startup selection on aggressive. For Windows version, select Windows 10. Here, under Processor Affinity, select all the available cores, just leave one. When everything is done, hit the tick button. Don't worry, you can edit anytime. Then hit the play button, and boom! Winlator Android 10 Final build has started. Now let's test Direct 3D to check FPS. It's showing 600 to 700 FPS, which is insane. In the sidebar, you'll find several useful options, like full screen mode, which automatically adjusts the screen to match your selected aspect ratio. There's also an improved Task Manager that displays detailed CPU, RAM, and system usage stats much better than the default version. Before launching any game, don't forget to install Wine Mono. It's essential for running certain applications. Another important fix, the virtual controller doesn't work properly out of the box, but you can install a layout either before going into the input controls or while playing the game. It's almost like having a full Windows PC right on your Mali device. Winlator 10 feels smoother and brings a refreshing desktop-like experience. I tested several games, and honestly, it felt like I was playing on a real PC, not just an Android phone powered by a Mali GPU. Of course, performance may vary depending on your device's specifications, but higher-end models will generally deliver a smoother gaming experience. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care.